So hello everyone, here is P7R and you are watching Supersonic P7R. I have been loving my 12.9-inch 2021 iPad Pro. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys something great pro apps that are making my 2021 iPad Pro experience phenomenal. Here is my 2021 iPad Pro current home screen. I am using Pythonista for the coding, MATLAB, Python 2 IDE, Python AI and Juno. Let's go into the Pythonista. Here's the code. I'm gonna run this and play this game. The design app I am using are Procreate and Sketchbook for the sketching and Rough Animator for the animation. For the logo designs I am using iDesign. The book reading app that I am using are iReader, Documents, and for note making I am using Notability and GoodNotes 5 both. I am using Wolfram Alpha and Betway Sports also. And I am using WPS Office for the MS Office, MS Word and MS PowerPoint. And here is the video editing app that I am using. iMovie, KineMaster, LumaFusion, Easy Studio, Movie Spirit, Teleprompter and Words. The map that I am using is Guru Map Pro app. The architecturing app that I am using is Live Home 3D Pro app. Let's have a look. And for design, Shaper 3D Pro app.